Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info from this developer and tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!